Hello my beautiful people, I'm J Marie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be installing and reviewing these butterfly locks that I received from ZRQ. They are an Amazon seller and they specialize in a lot of pre-twisted crochet hairstyles, all the trendy styles that you see. And I received these butterfly locks in 12 inches long and I have it in color 1B. These locks are gorgeous, guys. I am blown away with the texture, the thickness, the distressedness of them. Everything about these locks are phenomenal. Now with your order, you will receive 6 packs of the butterfly locks and they come in this cute little bag that says happy every day. Now in that bag, I also received a crochet hook and some rubber band elastics. Now I like to start off with the individual illusion braid pattern. Now with this pattern, you get more of a natural looking individual install. I have a step-by-step tutorial on this braid pattern and I'll link it in the cards above. These butterfly locks are very well made. They have a nice size loop on them and also they were easy to install. But the only thing I did come across when installing these, because of the butterfly locks having all the loops in them, you have to take your time in crocheting them, making sure you get past each loop without tangling. Because if you pull on the loop too hard, you can risk it stretching out and it'll cause that sagging effect right at the base. Now I love to do horizontal braids in the back. It just helps me to minimize any bulkiness that I may get from doing my crochet install. Each pack comes with a total of 10 butterfly locks in them and I did use 5 packs in all. This style took 45 minutes to complete. And these butterfly locks are fairly large, so you want to make sure that reflects in your braid pattern because it'll give you that more natural looking crochet install. Now this is the completed look, guys. I am in love with these butterfly locks from ZRQ. Make sure you check out the description box down below. I will have all their information listed for you. Because your girl is really feeling herself with these locks. Attitude change instantly. I'm just going to create a few of my favorite styles just to show you guys how natural looking this crochet install is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also comment down below. I love to chat with you guys. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.